Clean and fresh water helps to reduce diseases in pets and makes them healthier. When the pet enters this smart water fountain, the sensors in the fountain release water automatically for 2 minutes and stop when the pet leaves. You can choose from 3 different modes according to your needs: running mode, sensing mode, and saving mode. The power supply can be from 5V external source or through batteries. However, in case of power outage, it automatically switches to battery mode. The water pump is shockproof and is quieter during work. The fountain head increases the water drop, and the fountain effect attracts cats to drink water. The filter consists of double-layer activated carbon fiber, ACF, double-layer fine cotton, and filter mesh for multi-layered filtering and purification. Cotton is used to isolate hair and foreign matters, while ACF is used to remove odors, residual chlorine, heavy metal, and organic matters. Thus, the water is kept refreshed. The ACF, being complicated and environmentally friendly, helps absorption and purification more efficiently than normally activated carbon. The bucket is made of environmentally friendly and transparent ABS material, with laser etching to make the water levels clearly visible. This smart fountain also reminds you in case of insufficient water, low battery, and need for filter replacement. Our smart water pet fountain makes your life easier and your pets healthier.